Okay, here's a tiny kitty called Fudge. Aw, he's purring. Aw, he's nibbling my finger. He just loves nibbling fingers. Oh, and he comes right up to me. He loves me. I usually try to pet him, and when I pet him, he starts to love me even more. Ow.
Let's go around and we'll play a little game. Let's say what our most embarrassing moment was. Remember the time he asked me to check your prostate with me?
Linda.
Oh, remember when Dad tried to go jogging?
She is cutie, right?
Come on.
What about when Dad cried at the end of About Schmidt?
Gene, why are you in your underwear?
I was eating. What? You want me to get butter all over my
And there she goes.
Mondays at 11, Mondays at 10. Adult Swim.
At Joe's,
There she
what's the
goes.
best? Lobster, shrimp, and clams. Lobster, shrimp, clams, and beer. The Corona Beach Bake. Now at Joe's Crab Shack. Only till August 1st.
My name is Steve Jobs. Welcome to Apple Computer. This is freedom to create. We've raised the bar. If we want to be great, we gotta risk everything.
Jobs. Rated PG-13. Starts August 16th. The Scion FRS has a 200 horsepower box
Aww, she's adorable.
Wonder
what you want.
Cost maintenance plan. Good for 2 years or 25,000 miles. Plus, it has an available 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters and dynamic rev management. It leaves everyone else in the dust. Awesome is choosing from thousands of hit movies here.
Are you okay?
And catching up on all your favorite shows here. Get unlimited access anywhere you want, anytime you want. Watch all your favorites on all your streams, only with StreamPix. Enjoy thousands of hit movies and entire past seasons of TV shows. Go to the Xfinity On Demand menu and upgrade for only $4.99 more a month. Start watching today.
Our biggest client will be here in 15 minutes, and this presentation is taking forever to download.
We have DSL, it takes time.
I know, Comcast is fast, great price, please, you're the office manager. How?
Big file?
Yeah,
You take out the video.
I can't do that.
Move the meeting.
Can't do that either.
Maybe you had some bad shellfish storage and you have to go home.
That's not bad.
Say goodbye to the phone company. Say hello to savings. Switch to Comcast Business Internet today and add phone and TV for just $34.90 more a month. Comcast Business drives business.
Excel.com. Everybody punches back for Brooklyn Sour Punch.
Flips, the world's first headphones that flip into powerful speakers. Watch as people try Flips for the first time.
Oh, and hey. Oh my God, that is so cool.
That's the main thing.
Wow. That's awesome.
It's like a concert or something.
So now I'm a walking music machine. You don't need to have your headphones and your speakers separately. Now they're just here in one.
Get yours at flipsaudio.com.
The sound is phenomenal.
Now at Burger King, choose 2 sandwiches for just $5. Whether you're craving a new bacon cheddar stuffed burger and an original chicken sandwich, an original chicken sandwich and a premium Alaskan fish sandwich.
or even a Whopper and another Whopper. Get two for just $5. Burger King, where taste is king.
That's just an adorable kitty. Well, that's it. There are more categories than just this. There are more categories for YouTube than just gaming. I'll also put in cat videos. Stick around.